in overland.
Say hello.
Over the Pacific, you can't reach it. So they use celestial navigation. So that's what he did with the stars. When we put those little white buttons in there, see the white buttons down there? And up front there, and the one over there? Those are 3 individual inertial navigation systems. The same system as the Polaris submarine, only miniaturized. The Polaris submarine one will be as big as this, about as big as this room. That's how small that one is. There are 3 of them up there. Okay? When they put those in there, this guy was out of a job. Okay? Then they looked at this and said, gee, that looks like a computer problem. Guess what? You're out of a job. So now we've got a crew of 2. All airliners flying today have a crew of 2, a captain and a co-pilot. This seat is still there. That's for the FAA. He flies, he can come aboard anytime and observe our flying.